So today Strak token has been listed in a lot of exchanger DEX. So like we will review today Strak and USDT on the trading view. Yep. Arrow here to here. Okay. Here to here, lot of jump, and when token belongs at that time, every token gone up, like up, they gone this way. Why? Even it doesn't know me about that, but it seems like me at that time the distribution token to people, they do trade, and token at the time stay like hot at the time, maybe this cause. If I go Binance, same. After that, gone up. If I do increase this thing, this little time has been listed, you see gradually it will become in low price, but end of the day every token has their one price, and that would be neutral. Right now market is hard of Strak. But anyways, just see how it's like working. People buying, selling, when buy gone up and sell goes down. So anyways, if you see that right now these 1112% like gone up, this token, people sell here a little bit, therefore here maybe you're seeing market is down, and after that people are buying here. Those people are doing short trade, they are doing that. Okay, anyways, we are just seeing that, like we are just watching movie right now, nothing else, included me. So like what the condition, how people buy, how people sell. Here is the point, peak of the end of the candle point dot, notice there just this price right now 2.469. every like Strak coin price people buy. If I go first initial part, here people they distributed their token through Airdrop, any kind of thing, and people got this token, therefore here is green, and here is people sell, like those got climbed their token Airdrop, sell there. After that buy, those people are want just know when doing launch any new token, and this token has been like hot, and they buy and they take some profit. Therefore here is red and green, here is people buy, here sell, here is buy, here is sell, market gone, here is buy, here is sell, a wholesale here. Here is buy, here is sell, like this way, market gone up, but end of the thing here is people is buying still. This point is goes up. Notice that. Okay, we will just see that just 2 minutes because video video should not be longer than like 10 minutes because it will be like at that time boring. We are watching something here, man, just movie kind of thing, but think that here how market work. Anyways, here is people buy, therefore it's gone up, and after that they take profit here, sale. But I will say you don't doing trade, just this fundamental thought that I have, buy like when token low price and after that gone, sell. This is the everyone know that, but professional trader never do that. That amateur, those are not non-professional, just need money somehow and they do that. Those are professional, they do invest like long way, trade, invest, trade, they do trade long way. Just see that everything is understandable here. Red means sell, green mean buy. Here is little bit buy. If this point gone up somewhat increase, this green button will be increased. So anyways, this is the thing you can see. Go through Binance or any marketplace and search STRAK and USDT. What is the price? When you see, write down comment. So see you.